Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a fascinating project, pylane spotting. It's a really cool visualization of flight data, isn't it?
Absolutely. It's like a real-time air traffic control dashboard, but way more visually appealing. So what's the core concept behind pylane spotting?
Essentially, it's a website that displays a series of images, each showing a different flight arriving at Delhi Airport, DEL, on January 25, 2025. Each image shows the aircraft, its flight number, airline, aircraft type, origin airport, and arrival time. It's a very detailed record, remarkably so.
Right, and the images themselves, are they screenshots from Flight Radar 24?
That's what the creator, at Obvious, says. They're using data from Flight Radar 24, but they've created custom images, not just simple screenshots. It's a nice touch, adding a visual flair to what could otherwise be a pretty dry dataset.
I see. It's interesting that they chose to present the data this way. Why not just a table or a map?
That's a great question. I think the visual approach makes the data much more accessible and engaging. A table would be overwhelming with so many flights, and a map might not show the detail of each individual flight. The images provide a nice balance between information density and visual appeal. It's very clever.
Yeah. It's certainly unique. The sheer volume of flights displayed is impressive. It really highlights the busy nature of Delhi Airport.
Exactly. And the variety of airlines and aircraft types is also striking. You've got Indigo, IGO, with their Airbus A320 and A321neos, Air Asia India, AXB, with their Boeing 737 MAX 8s, SpiceJet, SEJ, with their Boeing 737-800S, and even some other international carriers. It's a diverse mix.
It is! And the timestamps are precise, down to the minute. That level of detail is really impressive.
It is. And it speaks to the accuracy of the underlying Flight Radar 24 data. The creator clearly put a lot of effort into curating and presenting this information in such a visually compelling way. It's a testament to their dedication.
Totally. I wonder what the future holds for this project. Maybe more airports? Different time periods? Perhaps interactive elements?
Those are all excellent possibilities. I could definitely see this expanding to include other major airports around the world. Adding interactive features would also enhance the user experience significantly. The potential is huge. Overall, pylane spotting is a fantastic example of data visualization done right. It's informative, engaging, and visually stunning.
Agreed. A truly impressive project. Thanks for highlighting it.
My pleasure. And thank you to our listeners for tuning in to Tech Bytes and News. Have a great day, and we'll catch you next time.
Bye-bye.